Hey my lovelies, this is Presha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. For today's video, I have come up with another hairstyle video, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 7 different hairstyles, one for each day during the week. These hairstyles are easy, quick and beautiful at the same time. You can wear these hairstyles for college, for back to school, or anywhere you want, and you can switch different hairstyles on different days. It totally depends on you. But do try these hairstyles and do let me know in the comment section which hairstyle you like the most in this video. So without further ado, let's get into this video. For the hairstyle number 1, this is for Monday hairstyle. I am going to do a side parting and grab a small section from top of your head and start doing Dutch braid. So start doing regular braid in opposite direction that you normally do and start adding hair to the side strands and take it underneath the middle strand. You can see what I am doing here. If you don't know how to do Dutch braid, then check out my Dutch braid tutorial. I have already uploaded on my channel. You can check out from my description box below or from my I button in the screen. Now I'm going to divide my braid into 2 equal parts and start doing fishtail braid. So what I am doing here is making a Dutch braid in top of my head and a fishtail braid at the other half of my hair like this. You have to make a fishtail braid all the way down and you tie your hair braid with an elastic band that matches your hair color and start pulling your braid little bit to give it a messier and voluminized look, and mainly you will get a thick braid, and this is perfect method for those who have thin hair, so do try this. And now I'm taking out some flakes to look beautiful in front also. And yeah, look at the beautiful braid, it looks so gorgeous. You can wear this hairstyle in Indian wear. This braid looks beautiful for medium to long hair. I always do this braid whenever in out or I'm going anywhere. This is easy and very quick and beautiful at the same time. So for the hairstyle number 2, this is for Tuesday. I'm going to start by making a side part and I'm going to grab a small section from front of my face like this, and I'm going to do a Dutch braid. So I'm going to make a headband sort of look for this hairstyle, and this looks so beautiful. Those who don't want the hair to be in front of your face, so you can do this hairstyle and at the same time you look beautiful. I'm going to add hair till my ear and then I will do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down. Now I am pulling my braid little bit to give it a messier and thicker look, and I am going to pin it with an bobby pin, and I am going to do a same thing on the other side also. Now I have done making 2 braids. Now I'm going to keep aside all of my hair and I'm going to remove pins from my braids, and I'm going to take them back and tie them with an elastic band that matches your hair color, and I'm going to remove all of my hair like this. And yeah, it's done. Take out some flakes and this hairstyle is done. Look at this beautiful hairstyle. It looks sort of a hairband look. This hairstyle is perfect for those who don't like their hair to come in their way or get distracted by that, and this is perfect for those who like keep their hairstyle very simple but look very chic. For the hairstyle number 3, this is Wednesday hairstyle. I'm going to do a side parting again. I'm going to take all of my hair to the side like this, and I'm going to take a chunk of my hair from top of my head. I'm going to do a regular 3-strand braid all the way down like this. Now I'm going to take all of my hair and I'm going to tie it with an elastic band that matches your hair color. Now I'm going to take out some flakes from front of my face to look beautiful from front also. Now I'm going to tie my hair 2 to 3 inches down from my previous hair tie and then make a loop like this and pull that part little bit to enhance the look. You have to do the same thing 2 to 3 times. It totally depends on your hair length. My hair is really long, so I will do 3 to 4 times. You can see what I'm doing here. You can use different hair color tie to enhance the look. This hairstyle is very easy to do and very quick. You can try this hairstyle in short hair also. This looks so beautiful. You can just make one loop only in short hair, or for medium hair you can do a 3 or 2 loop. This will look so beautiful. And that's it for this hairstyle. For the hairstyle number 4, this is for Thursday hairstyle. I am going to make a first ponytail and I will tie it with different hair color elastic, and then I will keep it aside and I will make another ponytail, and I will take a small section and make a small ponytail and I will tie it with different hair color tie. And now what you have to do is just take a first ponytail and divide into 2 parts, and take second ponytail, keep it aside, and for first ponytail add a small section from your temple of your hair like this, and make another ponytail with different hair color elastic. I hope you understand what I am saying here. And now again take your second ponytail, divide it into 2 parts, and then take third ponytail, keep it aside. Take your second ponytail and add a small section from both the side to it like this, and again tie it with a different hair color elastic. You have to do the same thing all the way down till when you don't have anything to add like this. If you don't understand what I am saying here, then I will try to make a full tutorial and a detailed tutorial on this hairstyle. If you want, then do comment down below if you want the tutorial of this hairstyle. I am doing hairstyle till here. Then tie your braid with another hair color elastic and pull that braid little bit, and look how beautiful this braid looks like. And this is so easy but looks very gorgeous, and this is perfect for medium to long hair. For the hairstyle number 5, this is for Friday hairstyle. I am going to take a chunk of my hair from top of my head like this and keep all the leftover hair aside, and I will make a small ponytail. And again I am going to tie my hair 2 to 3 inches from my previous hair tie, and I will make a hole and pull my hair under this hole like this to make a loop, and pull this a little bit to give it a messier and fuller look. I will do the same thing. I will tie my hair 2 to 3 inches down from my previous hair tie, and I will make a loop and pull my hair under it like this, and I will pull it little bit to give it a messier and fuller look, and this hairstyle is done. Look how gorgeous this turns out. Now you have to take out some flakes and hair strand from front of your face, and it's done. For the Saturday hairstyle, I'm going to do a side parting again, and I will take a small section from top of my head and I will make a regular 3-strand braid all the way down. Now I'm going to grab all of my hair from top side of my head and I will make a ponytail. But first I will take that braid that I have made now and I will add to my ponytail, and I will tie it with an hair elastic that matches my hair color like this. Make sure you tie it very tightly so that it will not lose later, and remove extra braid that you don't want. Now take leftover hair and comb it and take them like this to the ponytail and tie it with a bobby pin in the back. Now take out small flakes from front of your face, and it's done. For the last hairstyle, I'm going to make a bun. So gather all of your hair from top of your head and twist it little bit. Now place your hand underneath the hair like this and twist it. If you don't understand, I'm going to show you again. Now twist it like this and take leftover hair under your bun like this and take leftover hair and twist it around the bun. Now use hair tie around the buns to secure it nicely. And now I'm going to take a few bobby pins and pin it nicely so that my bun will not lose later. This bun looks very cute and chic. If you want to go on office or in college, if you are studying at home, you can make this bun very quickly. Now take out some flakes from front of your face and this bun is done. Look how beautiful and cute this looks. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will get notification about my new uploads. And also guys, comment down below which hairstyle you like the most in this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.